Alright, you won't be able to turn your printer upside down so easily, but I did it just so I could record better. So the first thing you want to do is take off the nozzle sock, the silicone protective sock. Make sure everything's cool. Open up the release catches on the nozzle and pull the nozzle out. If the nozzle won't come out, first of all you got to cut the filament. That little lever at the top cuts the filament. If the nozzle won't come out, you can kind of like hit it out a little bit from behind itself. So the thing you want to tighten are behind these three screws here. There are 4 screws behind it. So you got to take these 3 out. And the thing that's loose will be behind it, and that's what's keeping your initial layer from being flat, because it makes the nozzle go up and down because it's loose. So you won't have this Allen wrench, but in the kit that comes with the tool kit that comes with the printer, it'll be in the case under the printer. You'll be able to find an Allen wrench. You'll need 2 different size Allen wrenches. The most common one is this yellow one I'm using. And then on the back side of this ceramic piece is 4 little screws. And even on my printer, they were loose. And basically after a year, they get way too loose. So it's like maybe once a year, or when your printer starts failing on the Z offset. So you can see mine were loose. So you just tighten it up like finger tight, just barely tight enough. You don't want to break anything. And that's it. So while you have this out, there are 5 other screws back there. You might as well make sure they're tight. On my printer, these 5, the 3 silver ones, were tight. And then those 2 black ones back there. And then put the heat block back, but you have to turn it upside up. And that's basically it. You put those 3 screws back in. I should speed up this part of the video. But you put those 3 screws back in, and Bob's your uncle. That's all there is to it. You just basically want to tighten those 4 screws on the back side of this plate. And then you can put the nozzle back in once these 3 screws are in. And again, you just want to kind of get it finger tight. You don't want to break anything here. And then I go back through all the 3 just to make sure that tightening the first one didn't loosen the others. And then you got to hold these open. And as you put the nozzle back in, it has a magnet on it, and you see it pulling the catches, the locks. So it's a puzzle. And then clamp it in, and that's it. Oh, you got to put the sock back on, the silicone sock. That's it. You're done. Super easy. Put the cover back on. It's kind of optional, but where else are you going to store it?